Hello, I'm Suzette Ramirez, and today is September 11, 2017. 16 years ago, our country was attacked, and the loss of lives will never be forgotten. Today, PCTI remembers and honors that day.
So there was only 2 times that the U.S. has been a victim of attacks, the other one being Pearl Harbor. And so I think it's important for us to recognize 9/11, to honor the people who perished, to honor the people who helped clean up after the horrific event, and also to commemorate the day so that we never forget what happened.
About 10 o'clock in the morning, I got the call from the sheriff and commanded me to go to New York with my K-9 unit and to assist the Port Authority Police and the Fire Department, New York NYFD, and the Police Department. And just bear with me because it's a little tough for me. We were there for approximately 4 days without any sleep. And it's tough, but we withstood it just like everybody else did there, all the rescue workers. And I'll let my partner take over from here.
We worked about 4 days straight, and you caught little cat naps on the side of the, somewhere they just would, people would be laying down, you'd walk by just to kick the person and say, "You okay?" And then you just walk on. So it was a lot of people working together, which made this happen.
The assembly was pretty much just a reminder of the tragedy of 9/11 and also some personal stories from the people who were there at Ground Zero and understanding the tragedy from a different perspective.
Hearing the stories about how this tragedy this is something that could almost divide a nation, but it kind of brought us together. And hearing everyone's personal experience about how everybody reached out to help when they didn't have to and they didn't want anything in return was a good thing to hear.
That was a beautiful ceremony, and we will never forget 9/11. Now back to you guys.